Okay, so Pope dies April 21 last year. Rome was founded on April 21. Like, what? It was founded on April 21, and the Pope dies on April 21 at the age of 88. That's the last Pope. Your Pope that's in office right now is the one that's going to make a deal with the Antichrist in the future, okay? So there is a prophecy called St. Malachy prophecy, and he literally listed, I think it was 112 popes. And this was the last Pope that died last year. Why? Because that was the end of the church age. So he was the last Pope of the church age. And then the new Pope that's in right now, his only agenda is to make a deal in love. You see, God is love, but he's judge. He loves you, but if you're sinning, he loves you, but he hates your sin. The Pope, what he's going to do is he's going to love you and love your sin. That's what the beast system is about. Love you and love the sin. Who's the sinner? The devil. So it'll be the combination of all religions, including the Muslims, into one faith, right? And then that derives the Antichrist system. So understand that's the agenda, but it's at an appointed time, and it's nothing to fear because God's got it all worked out. Yep. And that's why right now you're seeing things of this Pope meeting with Islam. So this is happening right now. He's coming out against Trump, and he's meeting with Islam. I'm just showing you what you're seeing. When you see it, you're like, oh, now I get it. So you want to understand what's happening.